बुरा लगता था सोचकर that arguably one of the best actors we have in Hindi cinema has been relegated recently to movies way beneath him. But now I'm over it because Ranbir Kapoor and Love Ranjan just makes sense. I just had to watch this movie for it all to fall into place. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is my channel where you're watching a movie review. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं श्रद्धा कपूर एंड रणबीर कपूर स्टारर तू झूठी मैं मक्कार के बारे में, डायरेक्टेड बाय लव रंजन, who's written this with राहुल मोदी.
इसे खेलना है ना, खेलते हैं.
रोहन उर्फ मिकी इज सुपर रिच दिल्ली बॉय who runs multiple showrooms. Also मजे के लिए साथ में अपने दोस्त मनु के साथ ब्रेकअप कंसल्टेंसी चलाता है. मनु's फुल टाइम प्रोफेशन है फुल टाइम साइड किक. नो अदर एक्सप्लेनेशन इज प्रोवाइडेड. इट्स गिविंग टॉम क्रूज इन मैग्नोलिया लाइट. मनु खुद भी घटिया आदमी है बिकॉज रीढ़ की हड्डी इतनी है नहीं अपनी मंगेतर से ब्रेकअप कर सके. मिक्की को 2 लाख रुपए देकर ब्रेकअप करवाने के लिए खुद हायर करता है. कहानी देन मूव्स टू स्पेन फॉर अ बैचलर पार्टी जहां मिक्की को मनु की गर्लफ्रेंड की फ्रेंड निशा उर्फ टिनी से प्यार हो जाता है. तो मनु इज लाइक ठीक है मैं अपना ब्रेकअप रोक लूंगा, ज्यादा जरूरी है कि तेरा सेक्स हो जाए भाई. 600 बिना सर पैर के सब प्लॉट्स के बाद टिनी मिक्की की लव स्टोरी स्टार्ट्स. इशू अराइजेस व्हेन टिनी रियलाइजेस दैट शी वांट्स टू नाउ ब्रेक अप विद मिक्की बिकॉज वो अपनी जॉइंट फैमिली से कुछ ज्यादा ही अटैच्ड है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ कंटिन्यूइंग टू बी द कॉन्फिडेंट young woman we've been shown she is, she hires the breakup consultants जो unknown to her उसका खुद का boyfriend है मिकी. मिकी knows what Tinny is up to. He plays along and teaches her how to break up with him like the twisted freak he is. If all of this sounds stupid, it's because ये है. Apologies for the lengthy recap, लेकिन review कर पाना थोड़ा मुश्किल है without fully driving home just how convoluted and bananas this story and screenplay are. कहानी का main conflict joint family versus nuclear family है, which has been handled with the subtlety of a sledgehammer. And असल conflict तक आने से पहले, this movie जिसके generators are powered by gaslight is mostly interested in creating the perfect woman, a manic pixie dream girl 2.0 if you will. देखने में athlete जैसी toned body, पर नाश्ते में lunch में burger, washed down with beers. She says things like अरे ताड़ तो मुझे to absolute strangers at bars in foreign countries. She drives a jeep, she jumps off of cliffs, has an undefined vague job and still is perfectly presentable to the extended family. It's a male writer loudly and boldly saying she's not like other girls. क्योंकि इस यूनिवर्स में बाकी सारी औरतें, बाकी सारी गर्ल्स, चाहे वो माँ हो या तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ हो, are either belligerent or straight up stupid.
रिलेशनशिप में घुसना आसान है, उसमें से निकलना मुश्किल. रिश्ता जोड़ना आसान है, तोड़ना मुश्किल.
टिन्नी की मूवी में इंट्रोडक्शन है इन अ डांस नंबर दैट शी इज परफॉर्मिंग फॉर hundreds of strangers. मींस उसको दुनिया में किसी का खौफ है नहीं. Then what is stopping her from fessing up to the man she supposedly loves that his family is nauseatingly overbearing? 10 मिनट पहले तो उसे कोई फर्क पड़ नहीं रहा था. This is not a तमाशा situation either, जहां both Ved and Tara have specifically gone to Corsica to become different people for a little bit. Mickey, via many mini monologues, makes sure everyone knows he's equally insufferable both in India and outside. Point is, the point of no return for the protagonist just doesn't arrive. The tone shifts without so much as a hint of a segue. The writers, I guess, wanted to give the male protagonist just enough room to whine and complain about their lives while making somewhat of an effort to be feminist in their own way. The attempt, unfortunately, is disingenuous enough for the half-heartedness to peek through, as eventually the movie can't help but out itself come clean about what it's saying. Men are smart, women are not. Today I watched a Ranbir Kapoor movie where Kartik Aaryan is presented as the cherry on top in a guest appearance. A movie जहां एक चिल्लाती हुई माँ अडल्ट बेटे को थप्पड़ मारती रहती है, obviously played for laughs. A movie where a man who wanted to break up with his girlfriend still won't shut up about how marrying her was a huge mistake while she's pregnant, also played for laughs. I have watched a movie where the aforementioned man says आजकल आदमी और औरत दोनों pregnant होते हैं at her गोद भराई. Unironically, I guess I couldn't tell behind Anubhav Singh Bassi's overpowering facial hair. Tu Jhoti Main Makar makes you feel bad and borderline uncomfortable for Shraddha Kapoor, who clearly is capable of a whole lot more, but for reasons unknown has been saddled with overtly dramatic dipshit parts for most of her career. In this one, she's referred to as Meri Barbadi and then actively told Tu Mera Satwa Pyar Hai, जिसमें ऊपर के 6 are the immediate family members of the boy's family. Adequate secretly जिसके response में the man should be unceremoniously blocked on all her social media accounts. But this is not who she is in this world, and she does exactly what the man is expecting to her. तो छोड़ो ना यार. As much as this movie would like to believe the female protagonist is a flawed, real woman, it is eventually only serving up inexperienced and gullible until the right man comes along. All her adventures in joie de vivre is only delaying the inevitable.
भागेगा तो नहीं।
मम्मी कसम, जाएगी तो तू ही छोड़ के जाएगी.
Redemption, unfortunately, is not even to be found in the usually reliable Preetham soundtrack. Perhaps one might have enjoyed some of the dance numbers filled with generic drone shots of hundreds of backup dancers a little bit more if the film hadn't been an excruciating पौने 3 घंटे long. While Boney Kapoor yelling incredulously after getting schooled by his very aged mother is hilarious, the climactic 20 minutes make you think if the movie was actually a family drama, would it have been funnier or better? My Big Fat Greek Wedding vibes, Jug Jug Geo, or even a Notting Hill type with a tight-knit group of people dealing with the hot young man's irregular love life. The cliche climactic airport scene in the end miraculously works really well despite the many fake running on green screen shots.
मुझे तो तेरे दिन चाहिए, तेरी सुबह, तेरी दोपहर, तेरी शाम.
पक्का।
But as a sum of its parts, the movie is just as annoying as Ranbir Kapoor's character in it, which perhaps is by design. And when it is not getting on your nerves, it's simply put desperately dull. If you and I are fundamentally disagreed on everything in life, आपका weekend sorted है?
Respectful, romantic, प्यारा.
प्यारा और लवेबल सेम होता है।
मैं दोनों हूँ, हिंदी में भी, इंग्लिश में भी.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, Tu Jhuti Main Makar is 97% of this movie's dialogue is banter and repartee. No two characters ever talk like actual human beings with each other. All of it is obviously underlaid with helpful sound effects and background score in case you missed the jokes. Fun. Make sure you don't miss out on any uploads here. जाने से पहले subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. Movie देख ली, मेरा तो review वैसे भी एक दिन late आया, तो बताओ आपको क्या लगा. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.